Hey everyone, how you doing? This is a impromptu video because got a parcel today in the post. This is from Jimmy, Skating Choreographer, who joins us on our live chats and is a long-standing subscriber, and he's a great person as well. Now, he recently went to the WordCamp in Europe, and I believe he collected every goodie there was under the sun that he could probably find. And what he's done is he's very kindly sent me some stuff, and I have no idea actually completely what he has sent, to be honest. I'm a little bit worried about what he has sent and what has kind of got through customs. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of sabotage this box to try and open it and reveal to you what we have inside. This is my Wolverine claw, by the way, that I like to use. It's got a very, it's not just a straight blade there, so it's a pretty sharp one. Right, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, so he did tell me he had loads of stuff in here for my son Raheem, which I thought was really nice. He's got all these like little sweets. I think they're like snowflake sweets, and I did say to him, these sweets, I think, could cause a problem if they had gone through customs. There we go. How did that get through customs, right? White sweet. It's actually quite nice. I'm hoping Jimmy didn't taste them before he gave them to me. He basically said that they're a very popular sweet called snowflakes in Portugal. And by the way, that's where he's from, Portugal. Right, so there's that. Okay. I have to be careful what Raheem's going to do with this hammer. In fact, Jimmy did mention that, I'll just pop this down here. He did mention there's a festival he's going to where they kind of hit each other with like big inflatable hammers, which sounds extraordinarily fun. Right, what have we got here? Right, so we got a bag over here, which I'm going to open. Well, we got a bag here from Weglot. Okay, yeah, we got a bag, and we have more of these sweets. I'm going to tip them all out. So now my table is covered in sweets, by the way, and we have a card. So I'm going to read the card first before we have a look at what was inside of the bag, because I know you're probably wanting. There's quite a lot of stuff in there. It's not a light bag. It's a heavy bag there. That is actually a really stylish card. Can you see it? There's a bit of a sparkle. You probably can't detect it, but there's a bit of a sparkle effect on the card there. I quite like. And it basically says, Imran, I hope this package finds you well. Thank you for everything. The candies and hammer are for Raheem. I kind of guessed that. Take care and speak soon, Jimmy. This video was only meant to be a minute long, but we're well over that now. So, Yoast SEO. Ooh, look at this. Yoast SEO for everyone. Yoast SEO tip. Use your links right. Ranking doesn't happen overnight. These are biscuits. Look at that. Stroop waffles. I'm looking forward to tasting these. Oh, wow. We got a t-shirt. I'll double check. Yes, and it is small. I wear small t-shirts. What we got here? Catch me if you can. Isn't that cool? Cache me if you can. Catch, cache. However you want to pronounce it, right? Catch me if you can. That is awesome. That's an awesome, awesome t-shirt. I'm going to wear that tomorrow now. We got, oh, okay. Oh, look at that. WP Enthusiast. Now we've got this. This is WordCamp Europe 2022. I feel like I've been there. I haven't been there, but I've been there. All thanks to Jimmy. Right, and I think this is amazing. So let's just open this and see. Wow, okay. That's use the force, Luke. Right? That's cool. In fact, that's what I don't care about this. Use the force. This is all I'm going to play with, actually. Check there's nothing else in here. Nope. Just double checking in case there is something else in there. Right, okay, what we got here. So this is going to be... brilliant, look at that. Happy 10th anniversary, WCE, obviously WordCamp Europe, 2013 to 2022. Oh, wow. This is super impressive. Hey, look, if you get onto the shelf, you've made it in this world, okay? What else have we got that's going to make it on the shelf? Right. We've got some... Oh, look at that. Elemental stuff. Absolutely. There's got to be Elementor stuff, right? I was so sad that I didn't go to WordCamp this year. And I wish I had, because I heard it was amazing. We've got a badge. This is actually Jimmy's logo. This is his company logo. I love APIs sticker. My Cred Me sticker as well. We are app experts. What is your superpower? God, loads of good ones here, aren't there? App Experts IO. WordPress to mobile apps. There's a few more of those ones, actually. They must have been dishing out the stickers then. Oh, this is my favourite. SiteGround. I do like using SiteGround, by the way. I've got to stress that out. Oh, look at this. Look, little pin brooch as well. SiteGround. Obviously the WordPress badge. Woo. Oh, what's this? PT Woo. PT Woo. I've never heard of this. I'm going to have to Google this now. What is PT Woo? Best app developer in the galaxy. I don't develop apps, but I'll take the sticker. And obviously we got some Yoast goodies as well. Like that. Yoast goodies. Here we go. So, here's the big reveal. So this is Jimmy, who sent his card. And there's his details if you want to get in touch and give him a big thank you, because I know I'll be giving him a big thank you. Hopefully, I'll see him at WordCamp next year. Page Very Stranger Things, 1980s, Miami Vice over there. And of course, Let's Get Web Creating badge from Elementor. And a couple of nice rainbow stickers as well. I quite like these. I do like that whole effect there. And of course, a bottle opener from WebGlot. This is really funky. Oh, look at these stickers here. Stop talking, start doing. All of you, do it. Okay. Super good stuff. More stickers. Again, from WCEU. And from WooCommerce as well. I like WooCommerce, but I just wish they didn't charge you so much for stuff. App Experts IO pen. What's this pen like then? Oh, okay. Do you know what? I thought it was a lid, but it's not. There's like a. Is that a board rubber? Is that a board rubber or a pen? Okay, that's a nice. It's a very nice feeling pen, by the way. It does feel really nice. I really like that. Wow, there's more stuff. Look at this little Pagely, right? So you can you could hold it in your hand or something like that with a clip there. I like that a lot. These stickers are these stickers are amazing. These are seriously amazing stickers. Just look at that. Look at that. Gravity. Just look at that. That is serious design work going on there. This is more than just Canva, right? This is more than just Canva. Again, communication stickers. What is this? Let's talk. Only if I... Oh, I get it. So they would have worn these to say, are you allowed to approach people? What would I have gone for? I would have gone for let's talk. I would have gone for this one. Let's talk. But you got a variety there of what you want to wear, right? That's really good. I think as a... I'd like privacy, or if you're an introvert or an extrovert. WooCommerce Porto. Look at this lovely book. Now these are my favorite types of books. For anyone who knows me, I love bullet journals. So you know where you do the dots and you draw a square when you start a task, you then put a cross when the task is complete. This is great for wireframing, right? Can you see that? That is super, super good. Love it. Love that. Love that. We then have, oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this book, right? Oh, doesn't really have a smell. No, doesn't have any nice paper. There's no real smell to it. But it's a book. This is cool. Journal book. This is good. This is good. I feel like Christmas. It feels literally like Christmas at the moment. And a coaster. App Expert, they really went to town on their goodies, didn't they? That is actually a really nice coaster. I like that. That's a cool coaster. And just to double check, the last thing in here is a pencil from WooCommerce. This has been a very surprising bundle, I've got to say. This is far more than what I thought. Jimmy did ask me what my size t-shirt was, and I said small, and I was expecting just a t-shirt. He mentioned the sweets. I was not expecting all of this amazing, amazing stuff. I have to be honest, I was not. Thank you so much, Jimmy. I hope we get to meet at WordCamp next year, because we'll have such a laugh. But this is just crazy. This is so crazy, all the stuff. You know, this is just unreal. It means a lot. Thank you so much. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. And hopefully Jimmy will get you a goodie bag next year as well. He's probably taking orders right now. But hopefully I'll see you all at WordCamp 2023 in Greece, or Athens, which is Greece in a way. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill.